Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In the last few videos, we set up various virtual machines and created a network using VMware. Now it's time to enable SSH on Windows so we can see how Kali Linux can be used to identify potential vulnerabilities on port 22. Let's get started. First, we need to change the network adapter back to NAT because we need to access the internet in order to install SSH. So we're going to click on the network adapter, select NAT, and then OK. And now we're going to power on the machine and log in. Now that we're logged in, the first thing we're going to have to do is change back the IP address to DHCP. Click on the globe, Network, Ethernet, change adapter options, right-click Ethernet and then Properties, version 4, Properties, and then obtain an IP address automatically, and then OK. Let's test connectivity by using the ping command. We'll open up the command prompt and type ping 8.8.8.8. And great, we're connected back to the internet and we can start to install SSH. You're going to hit the Windows key and I, and then go to Apps, Optional Features, Add a feature, and we're going to search for OpenSSH server, and then we're going to install. I'm going to pause the video because this is going to take a little bit of time. Okay, great. We can see that it's installed, and now we need to enable SSH. This time we're going to hit the Windows key and R, and here we're going to type in services.msc, and then enter. And in this list, we're going to search for OpenSSH. And here it is. We're going to right-click and then select Properties. Under this General tab, we're going to set the startup type to Automatic. Click Start, Apply, and then OK. Now we need to configure the Windows Firewall to allow SSH access. We're going to use the search bar and we're going to type in Windows Defender Firewall, and we want this advanced security. And here on the left side, we can see some of the rules. We're looking for inbound rules. And again, we're going to look for OpenSSH. And here it is. Click on it. And here we can see that it is enabled. If it was disabled, you can right-click on it and select Enable. Okay, and now we're going to go back to the command prompt. And we're going to type SSH. And we can see that it is installed and it's giving us some instructions on how to use it. And that's it. SSH is now enabled on Windows. Let's change our network adapter back to LAN segment so it's ready for the next video. You can go up here, click VM, Settings, Network Adapter, LAN segment, and choose the LAN PT again. and then OK. And we're also going to have to change our IP address. So back to network, Ethernet, change adapter options, right click, properties, IP4, properties, use the following address, and it was 192.168.1.5 with a net mask of 255.255.255.0. And then we can close all of these windows. Okay, we're all set up, and in the next video, we'll begin practicing some basic penetration testing techniques using Kali Linux. We'll focus on scanning for an OpenSSH port with Nmap and performing a SSH brute force attack using Metasploit. Remember to always use Kali Linux responsibly and ethically. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tech walkthroughs, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.